This will amaze you. We've always been curious about the stars, the movement of planets, and day and night. Ever wondered why summer days are longer than winter days? Today we'll learn about the longest day and night on Earth. Days when the sun doesn't set, and nights that last a long time. Stay with us to learn why this happens and see places where the sun never sets. Did you know some places get 24 hours of sunlight during the longest day? Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get notified with our upcoming exciting journey. Let's talk about the longest day of the year. It's the day when the sun stays up the longest, even after you've finished your daily tasks. This is the summer solstice, usually around June 21st in the Northern Hemisphere. You might wonder, why does this happen? Our Earth isn't just spinning, it's also tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the key. During the summer solstice, the Northern Hemisphere tilts towards the sun the most. It's like Earth is getting a warm hug from the sun. This tilt makes the sun travel a longer, higher path, giving us more daylight. It's like the universe is giving the Northern Hemisphere a high five. Where's the best place to see this? The farther north you go, the more extreme it gets. Imagine a place where the sun barely sets, blending day and night. That's what it's like above the Arctic Circle. But the Southern Hemisphere isn't left out. Remember the tilt? While the north has the longest day, the south has its shortest day, the winter solstice. It's a balance, showing that for every action, there's an opposite reaction. The summer solstice is about the Earth's relationship with the sun, a dance that's been happening for billions of years. It's a reminder that we are part of something bigger, a cosmic dance that connects us all. The summer solstice is a time to celebrate this connection and marvel at our planet and the universe. So next time you feel the sun's rays, remember, you're part of this grand cosmic story. And here's a mysterious fact. Ancient civilizations built monuments like Stonehenge to align perfectly with the solstice sunrise, showing their deep connection to this celestial event. Now let's talk about the longest night, the winter solstice. It's a time full of mystery and tradition. This event happens around December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere, marking the start of winter, a season of cold and reflection. Remember the Earth's tilt we talked about? During the winter solstice, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted farthest from the sun. It's like we're turning away from the sun's warmth, embracing the darkness and cold. The sun takes a shorter, lower path across the sky, resulting in fewer daylight hours and the longest night of the year. It's a time for cozy nights by the fire, for introspection, for enjoying the quiet beauty of darkness, and finding peace in stillness. And just like with the summer solstice, the further north you go, the more extreme it gets. Above the Arctic Circle, the sun doesn't rise at all. It's a period of continuous darkness, known as polar night. Sounds eerie, right? But don't worry, the darkness isn't forever. It's just Earth's way of taking a deep breath, of resetting and preparing for the return of the light, a natural cycle of renewal. While the north has its longest night, the south enjoys its longest day, the summer solstice. The winter solstice reminds us that even in darkness, there's beauty. It's a time to appreciate the contrast, to understand that light and darkness are two sides of the same coin, each important in its own way. The land of the midnight sun. Let's explore places where the sun doesn't set like usual. Imagine a place where the sun barely sets, creating a continuous twilight. Welcome to the land of the midnight sun. Here, time feels like it stands still. This happens in areas north of the Arctic Circle and south of the Antarctic Circle during summer. Places like Norway, Alaska, Canada's Yukon Territory, and Greenland have endless sunlight, turning the landscape into a wonderland. Can you imagine living where the sun never sets? Where night is almost mythical? You can hike at midnight under the sun, experiencing nature in a unique way. It might mess with your sleep, but the experience is unforgettable. This happens because of Earth's tilt. keeping the sun above the horizon during summer. In summer, the sun stays visible for 24 hours or more in these regions. It's a time for celebration, outdoor fun, and enjoying every bit of sunlight. In Norway, they call it solgangsbris, the breeze that comes with the midnight sun. Imagine sitting by a fjord, the sky full of colors with a gentle breeze. It's pure magic. It's like a dream, where time doesn't exist, and you're in a timeless wonderland. If you're feeling adventurous, book a trip to the land of the midnight sun. It's a unique journey. The experience will stay with you long after the sun finally sets, leaving you with memories of a place where the sun never sleeps. And here's a mysterious fact. Sometimes you can witness the aurora borealis dancing in the sky, even under the midnight sun. It's a sight that defies imagination. Equinoxes, when day and night are equal. The equinoxes occur twice a year, around March 21st and September 23rd. During an equinox, the tilt of the Earth's axis is inclined neither away from nor towards the sun, resulting in a nearly equal amount of daylight and darkness at all latitudes. This phenomenon marks the change of seasons, from winter to spring and from summer to autumn. The word equinox is derived from Latin, meaning equal night. Imagine standing anywhere on Earth, knowing that day and night are in perfect balance. It's a moment of harmony in the natural world, a reminder that balance and change are integral to our planet. During the equinox, the sun rises exactly in the east and sets exactly in the west. This celestial event has been celebrated by cultures around the world for centuries, symbolizing renewal, balance, and the eternal cycle of nature. In many traditions, the spring equinox is a time of rebirth and new beginnings, while the autumn equinox signifies harvest and reflection. These are perfect times to connect with nature, reflect on the cycles of life, and appreciate the balance that sustains us. Whether you're watching the sunrise or sunset, or simply enjoying the equal hours of day and night, the equinoxes are a beautiful reminder of our planet's natural rhythms. So, take a moment to step outside during the next equinox, feel the balance in the air, and let it inspire you to find equilibrium in your own life. The equinoxes are nature's way of reminding us that balance is not only possible, but essential. Earth finds perfect balance, equal light, equal dark. But what happens when that balance disappears entirely? What if the sun didn't rise at all, for days, weeks, or even months? Welcome to the world of the polar night. Let's look at places where the sun takes a long break. In the polar regions during winter, it's always dark. Imagine a place where the sun doesn't rise for weeks or months. This happens north of the Arctic Circle and south of the Antarctic Circle. During this time, the sun never rises. It's a time of long darkness, perfect for enjoying the night sky. Living in darkness might seem sad, but it's not. The polar night has its own special beauty. Imagine looking up at a sky full of stars and the northern lights. It's a sight that will amaze you. Even without sunlight, people here have adapted. They have unique traditions, close communities, and respect for nature. So next time you think a night is long, remember the polar night. It shows that even in darkness, there's beauty, strength, and wonder. And here's a fun fact. During the polar night, the sky can sometimes glow with a faint light called polar twilight, adding a beautiful touch to the endless night. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. The universe is full of amazing things to discover. Keep exploring and stay curious. See you next time.